Hello everyone and welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today we are decorating our kitchen coffee bar space for Christmas, and I am so excited for a gorgeous, fun and whimsical Christmas coffee and cocoa bar. I did start by wiping down the counters and our Keurig machine, which actually I have a question for you guys. If you have some sort of cappuccino maker or some type of little bit more unique coffee machine, especially something that has a frother attached and built in, I would love to know. We are considering getting a different machine at some point, or maybe just adding to this one. So I would love your recommendations if you have a coffee machine that you love. But once we wiped everything down, I'm gonna also wipe down the tiered stand and our flavored syrup bottles. We're now gonna add this adorable set of stacked gingerbread house mugs, super cute. I found this beautiful sparkly tree. It just lights up. It's got a little switch on the bottom if you want to turn it off, and then just to switch it on, it's battery operated. Here is with the lights off, just to give you a little idea of how this looks. And I just love how it's lit up. They do have a silver version, although I've got like the little gold detail on my jars over here. So, and also in our kitchen on the handles. So I wanted to do the gold. I also usually do more of gold than silver in my Christmas trees. So I got the one with the gold glitter sparkle, but I just think this is so beautiful. And I think it's gonna make a really pretty, almost like night light to have in the kitchen here. So I'm thinking of doing it kind of in this corner, just to kind of like light up this corner of the coffee bar. And we'll see. It would be nice to be more centrally located, but then again, I also wanted to do flowers, so we're just gonna play around with this. And this year I found some glass jars with bamboo lids that I'm going to be using to store different candies and chocolate and things like that in for our coffee and cocoa bar. I found these fun little Santa Christmas chocolates, and of course the Lindt truffles look really good in here, and they're great for adding into coffee as well. If that's something that you're into, that could be really fun. I'm also adding some pine branches along with some deep burgundy red peony flowers as well. And also this little mini Christmas tree with the red berries on it. I got this one in Michael's, and I'm just kind of placing the different greenery and florals like in the back. And I just feel like it kind of adds some interest and dimension to our space. It adds a little bit of a pop of color and just some extra Christmas cheer along the back wall of our coffee bar. Now I will do my best to link as many of the items as I can and that I'm using today in the description box below, just to help you find any of these items. I know I personally always appreciate when people put links for things, because it just saves me time when I'm trying to search and find the item that they're sharing as well. So I love shopping through links, so I will try to link what I'm using today, and hopefully it will help some of you if you are looking to find any of these items for yourself. We're also adding some cute bows now on our coffee canister jars, just with these little Christmas ribbons. I found these in Michael's, and this coffee bar just turned out to be so fun and festive. It looks incredible, I think, in the daytime, and it's super cozy and inviting in the evening as well, just with that sparkly light up glitter tree. And I do have the under cabinet lighting here, so that's really fun. But if you don't, you could add some as well with like battery operated under cabinet lighting. But another fun option, if you don't have that, would be to just even add another little set of battery twinkling fairy lights into the backdrop of your Christmas coffee and cocoa bar if you want it as well. So let me know down in the comments if you will be decorating a Christmas coffee bar or a Christmas hot cocoa bar in your own home, or perhaps for a holiday party that you might be hosting. With all also got some edible little individually wrapped gingerbread cookie mug toppers. How adorable are these? I picked up a set of 3 of these. They come like this in World Market, and I just think these are gonna be so fun to unwrap and add to enjoy with our hot cocoa or coffee even. Thank you all so much for being here, and I will see you soon in a new video.